What's up guys, welcome to the output. This is Sensei Bong. So today we're going to unbox an Epson printer 3760. So this is Ecotank edition, so it means it's very cheap and very affordable. So the real price of the printer right now is $349.99, almost $350. So what's included in this box? It includes one set of Ecotank ink and two bonus bottles of black ink. Okay, it's refillable ink tanks for cartridge free printing, and it's also a wireless printing from can print it with your using your smartphone or tablet. Print speed 15, prints black 8 color pages per minute, so it's 15 per minute pages. Compatible Epson ink is 502 for black and 502 color 2. So 2 years of per bottle is there. The ink will last for 2 years, that's what they said. Okay, and then we're gonna unbox it right now. Okay, so first unboxing, it comes with the two black Epson ink 502. So look at the size of that ink. It's a CYMK guys ink, so it's free with 2 ink. And then after that, it comes with a power cord. Okay, it comes with the basic manual on how to set up and everything. So let's take this off. So it's very secure guys, and it's wraps with the plastic. And then we have the yellow ink, we have the cyan, it's all 502 Ecotank, and the magenta. So all you need is the yellow, cyan, magenta, and the black. So if you're only printing black and white or black, so you should be good, or you can save a lot of colored inks. Okay, so let's take it off. Let's take out the back. So sorry for the mess guys. As you can see, it comes with 2 extra black ink, so it's really good. Okay, so all we have to do right now is to take off those blue what do you call that, straps. So its dimension is 19.8 inch by 16.4 inch by 10 inch. So that's the length, the width, and the height. It's also network ready and double-sided printing. Okay, so let's take off these straps right now. Okay, so we are removing the blue straps right now. So we're trying to check also if there's any manufacturer's defects of the printer. Okay, so what I love about this printer is it's because you can save up to 90% with low cost replacement ink bottles, so you don't need any to buy ink, and it will last for 2 years of ink. That's included, or replacement ink set for 2 blacks already. So each replacement ink bottle set includes enough ink to print up to 7,500 or 6,000 pages black or colored. So it's equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges when you buy it individually. So they're upgrading their printers right now. That means less waste of cartridges. Uniquely keyed Eco Fit bottle make it easy to fill out color tank powered by Precision Core. This fast SuperTank printer offers a 150 sheet paper tray. So in one sheet you can put 150 sheet. Okay, it's also 3-in-1: print, copy, and scan. Look at the size of those ink bottles. So it will last you for 2 years. That's what they said. Okay, and the ISO print speed, black, we mentioned earlier, it's 15 pages per minute, and for colored is 8 pages per minute. So that's really fast. So let's check the manual right now to make sure we're doing the right thing. And it's also, guys, you're being more productive on this because it's got a fast auto two-sided printing. So you need to unpack. Yes, we removed all those blue straps already, and it comes with a 2.4-inch color display too, to make it easier for you. And let's check now how to fill the ink tanks. Okay, it's also powered by Precision Core, so it means the colors are sharp and the colors are more vivid. Okay, so the printing is really good. So in order for us to refill the tanks, all you have to do is pop the hood just like a car. Okay, so first we need to refill the black 502. All you have to do is twist the cap. Then after that, that's the top. It won't spill unless it touches the tube over there on the black tank there that we need to refill. We're gonna insert it, and then after that it will refill the black tank. So as you can see, it won't trip unless it touches that tube over there. Okay, all you have to do is just to follow the pattern, and then after that squeeze it in, then it will fill up slowly by slowly. So that's easy, guys. So it's not hard. As you can see, it's filling up slowly. Sorry for the blur. So we're gonna fill it up one by one. First the block until it fills up. One bottle can fill up one tank of the ink. So just one bottle full of black, one bottle for the rest of the colored tank. So as you can see, it fills up very fast. So as you can see, guys, we only need just one bottle to fill up this one black tank for the Epson printer. So that's only one bottle, guys, that you need, that will last for 2 years. Okay, so let's put on the rest of the inks. So we'll go for the cyan. Covers with a plastic wrap like that. Just twist it again. Again, it won't spill unless the tube will be inserted on the tube cap of that cartridge. So let's put again with the pattern, and then it will flow automatically. Okay, so we'll do the fast forward of this refilling, guys. Okay, all done guys. So we just finished filling up those cartridges for CYMK. Okay, we're gonna put now the power cord. Okay, after all of that, we need to turn it on, press the power button. After pressing the power button, this is the LCD display that I'm talking about guys. It's a 2.4 color display. Okay, so we're doing a basic setup for this printer. Right now it's processing and the power button is blinking, so that's normal. Just gonna adjust the autofocus here. See the start here, sheet to complete in initialization. So we did it in advance guys. We're supposed to put the ink after this setup, but we already did this, so it's already done, so we don't need to do it. It says 3 seconds only, but it takes more than 3 seconds. And then we need to confirm that the ink was filled already, and then the initialization will be completed for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes we'll continue the basic setup for this. Okay, so after 10 minutes, align the printer to get the best print quality. We're just adjusting some of the printer settings for this one. Okay, we're gonna check the head, everything. So this is the paper tray, so it's adjustable guys for the paper size that you needed. So we're just gonna load the paper and then put it in, press the OK button, and then it's processing right now. And we're just gonna wait. So it's printing right now. So here's the result guys. The serial number, the black, the yellow, magenta, and the cyan firmware. So looks good, everything is good. And then after that, I'm gonna ask you some questions for the pattern, and then all you have to do is just answer the questions for the pattern. Then it will gonna print, and then it will gonna ask you again some of the questions. So it's gonna take some time guys to set up this printer. It will check your alignment, it will check your nozzle, it will check everything for best or quality result of your printing. So just answer based on the output of your printer. So it will ask you 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 5, 6 lines. Let's see what's the question is. It's even still printing. So select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. So when you check on the printer, the printed paper, you need to select on those lines, and then you have to choose which number has no gaps, so that the settings of your printer will be good. Okay, and then it will do another question guys. So we haven't filled up everything for the magenta. I'm not sure why it still has a little left ink, but we can still sure use that. So as you can see, it's kind of full, or 3/4 full right now, but it's okay guys. it's working properly right now. So here's another printed settings that we need to answer based on the question. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 boxes. So I believe we need to answer this individually. So as you can see, there's a little bit of choose the square with the fewest lines. So you need to look on those boxes. It's gonna take time, guys, so it's like an college exam that you need to answer. I don't know which one, guys. All of them has a little bit lines in those boxes, so it's I'm having a difficult time to answer. But we choose the number 2, fewest streaks lines, and then yeah, we did answer number 1. Then we need to proceed to question number 3. Let's change the answer to number again, guys, I'm having a difficulty answering this questionnaire. So I think we did answer oh man. Final answer. Number 6. Yoo-hoo. Final answer, number 6. And so on and so forth, guys. So that's all the questions that you need to answer. Okay, let's do a fast forward on this one, guys. Okay, finally we're on the different settings right now. We'll go to general settings, we'll go to network settings, and we'll go to Wi-Fi setup. So if you have a Wi-Fi, we'll recommend to set up on a Wi-Fi. Start setup, Wi-Fi setup wizard. It will search for a network, so just put your network name on this printer. Okay, after that, enter your network name and then enter the password. So there's a little keyboard that you can use. Just use the arrow keys up and down and then press enter. And then after that, connecting to a network. And then it's gonna take some time to connect, but it's okay, guys. Wi-Fi setup is complete. All right, so print the connection check report for details. For update, all you have to do is to update it later on. Again, it's ET3760, it's Wi-Fi, and then after that we have successfully printed the test page. So it says all the connection, all the information. So there you go, guys. That's all for the basic setup and the review of ET3760. So thanks for watching and have a great one.